Welcome everyone to another live stream of Let's Learn QuickBooks, where I will be tackling the QuickBooks Online practice set problems from the book QuickBooks Online practice set, authored by Michelle Long and Andrew Long. So let's get started. We last left off. We had just completed on transaction 31 of February. We are now on transaction 32 of February 21st. So let's read it. February 21st, the total food sales from the week are shown in the table below. So what do we have to do here? Well, I think over here, that's going to be a sales receipt. Or is that going to be an expense? Well, I don't recall. Let's find out. Let's see. Expense. It's not expense. I have to check to see prior to see what was done in the past. I'm thinking it's sales receipt. Let's take a quick look, see. Yeah, it's gonna be sales receipt for it because you have to think about it. These sales were done at the time. It was like the customer paid the cash at the time, so they would have received whatever sale receipt was received at the time. So this is gonna be a sales receipt transaction. So let's open this up. Why is this up here? Let's close that. So let's see here. Total food sales from the week are shown in the table below. Okay. So let's see what we got here. I don't think that we have that done yet. So let's take a look. It's going to be under new, customer, sales receipt. Now what? Let's take a look. What was the last sales receipt? It was from Christopher, it appears. So it's going to be weekly sales. Customer, weekly sales. Okay. Now we're going to have to enter these guys. Well, first of all, we need the correct dates. 2/21. So 2/21. All right. So payment method. Let's see. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. And how are we going to do this? It's going to be bottled water. And let me open it up so I don't have to keep flipping through the screens. Bottled water. Next is going to be orange. No. Orange. Next is going to be blue. Next is going to be sugar-free. Next is going to be chocolate. Vanilla. Right here. And then peanut butter. Okay, perfect. So quantities are going to be 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay. 41.15 should be the total. It's not the total. 38.75, right. 271 is sales tax. So over here, 38.75, sales tax is calculated differently from what it is in the book. So let me take a look at this really quick. 3, 150, 450, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 8, 3, 375, 1125, 1, 325, 325, 2, 325, 650, 1, 325, 325. So let's take a look-see here. What's going on, Debbie? My dear Debbie. So let's see here. 41, 46. For some reason, it's different from what we have in the book over here. See, we have the 38.75, but sales tax is being calculated differently. It's 240 versus 271. Why is that? Why is that? Well, yeah, it's hard to tell exactly why, but we'll just keep it moving. I'm not going to fret over it because there's no way for me that I can see that I'd be able to figure out what that difference is derived from. So we're just going to keep moving on and hit save and close. And if you want to validate that, we go to reports to ensure that it went through, and we can take a look at the sales by customer detail. Run this report back to, let's say, February. Run report, and we should be able to see it under weekly sales. Where is weekly sales? Here's weekly sales, and we'll see the 221 figures over here. So the next transaction is transaction number 33. February 21st, deposited all undeposited funds from the third week of the month into the checking account. Total deposit is $196.15 into the checking account. Deposit all undeposited funds from the third week of the month into the checking account. So let's do that. New deposits. Where is deposits? Forget where deposits are. Other bank deposit right here. Okay, so we're gonna deposit everything, is it? Deposit all undeposited funds from the third week. Okay. So what is the third week exactly? Take a look at February. So that's the first week right here. This is the second week. This will be the third week. From 15 to 21. So this is our, but for some reason this is lumped into it. But that's alright, we'll just lump it into the third week. So its total deposit is going to be $196.46. So it's Fitness Haven checking, date 2/21. Let's say receive, that's all right here. Received from all these guys right here. And cash back goes to Fitness checking, check cash back. There's no cash back. There's no cash back amount. So let's hit save and close. And that's that. Now we can check reports. What reports are we going to check? I don't know. Let's think about that. Well, I know we can check the balance sheet. Let's see. So undeposited funds, there's nothing there. Perfect. So we're going to move on to the next question then, because that is done. So next question. Next transaction number 34. February 22nd. Sent invoices to the following members in the amount of $35 for March membership, i.e. monthly membership, with terms of net 30. So, Daniel Brown, Adrian Gonzalez, Lucy Steele, Jerry Klein, Tim Barnes, Robert Markham, and Cindy Blackburn. Okay. Note, Lucy Hopper, Jim Hill, and Christopher Tomlinson decided to not renew their membership. Okay. Lucy Hopper. See if any. I don't think any of those names are here. Jim Hill and Christopher Tomlinson. Okay. So what we need to do here is to send them all invoices. So invoices over here. And we'll have to do them each separately if it so appears. So let's start off the top. Daniel Brown. Okay. Terms net 30. Invoice date 22nd. Due date is going to be automatically based on terms. It's going to be products. It's going to be members. Monthly membership. It's going to be save and new. Save and new. Next customer is Adrian Gonzalez. Net 30. Invoice date February 22nd. Monthly membership. Amount is going to be $35. Save and new. Next person is Lucy Steele. Terms net 30. Invoice date 22nd. Due date 23rd. Product service monthly membership. Okay. Quantity 135. Save and new. Next person. Well, what did we just do? Was it Lucy Steele? Okay, so the next person is Jerry Klein. Jerry Klein. Terms net 30. Invoice date 22nd to 22nd. Product service monthly membership. Okay. Description. Quantity. Okay. Save and new for Jerry Klein. Next person is Tim Barnes. Billing date, address, terms net 30, invoice date 22nd, due date 23rd. Okay. Monthly membership. Monthly membership. Save and new. Customer, who was that last person? Tim Barnes. Robert Markham. So billing address, terms 22nd, monthly membership. Let's see, rate 35, save and close. Who was that? Robert Markham. So last person is going to be Cindy Blackburn. Okay. Terms net 30, invoice 22nd, products services will be what? What is it going to be? Monthly membership. Description, nothing. Save and new. Okay. And we're done actually. So let's close that out. Now, what I want to see here is invoices. So let's see. There should be I don't know how the accounting is set up for those invoices. Well, I guess there's nothing. So we invoice them for next period, so it's not going to be any accounting for that just yet, but we'll see. We can see the invoices that are open. So run report. You can see all these guys right here. They shouldn't be on the income statement just yet, but maybe they will be. Let's see. It looks like they are being recorded, even though they're not quite earned yet, which is interesting. Okay. So let's move on to the next transaction, which is transaction number 35, February 23rd. Lynn Sampson paid $90 for a quarterly membership. Okay, so we have a new customer. So customer sales receipt. What's her name? Lynn Sampson. Lynn Sampson. Okay. Add new. Save. Okay, payment method. Let's say cash. Undeposited funds. And I believe it was quarterly membership. Quarterly membership. $90 for gym membership. Save and close. Okay, next guy over here. Oh, but let's go back because I think I forgot to change the date. That should be 23. So we need to go back and change that date. Sales receipt should be February 23rd. Save and close. Okay. So next transaction will be transaction number 36. February 25th, paid bill from Swisher Marketing LLC in the amount of $750 with check 1017. Let me check here to see if we have notes for that. If we do, we don't have to make more notes. I think we do have notes for that. Pay bill. Yes, it looks like we do. Pay bill. So what do we have to do here? Let's pay bills from Swisher Marketing LLC in the amount of $750 with check 1017. Okay, Swisher. This is going to be it. How much is it going to be? $750. Save and close. Perfect. Okay. Now let's keep this moving. What is next? Let's check the pay bills, current balance sheet, current liabilities. What was that? I should have reduced, but which one? AP should have reduced. Right there. Okay, so that's reduced. Next transaction will be transaction number 37, February 26th. Sold 2 hours of personal training to Adrian Gonzalez for a total of $70. So let's go ahead and add that. Add new customers sales receipt. We are going to add Adrian Gonzalez here, or not add, enter Adrian Gonzalez here. Time is going to, or date is going to be February 26th. Payment method, let's say it's cash. Undeposited funds. Product services. Let's say, oopsie. Personal training. And we'll say 2 hours. Save and close. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next transaction. Well, we should confirm that. Sold 2 hours, sales. Let's take a look at, not sales, reports, profit and loss. Okay, gym revenues should be last one in here, right there. Okay, perfect. So, next item is going to be transaction number 38. February 27th, charged $56.70 on Visa credit card at Office Depot for printer ink. Office expenses. Okay, so let's take a look here. Expenses. What did you pay? What was this? Office Depot. So let's enter Office Depot. This is going to be payment date of 27th. Payment method is going to be Visa, credit card. Payment account, Visa. Okay. Interesting. Why are these here? Close that out. Yes. And reopen that. Expense. Okay. Office Depot. Okay. Date is going to be 27th. Credit card. Interesting that this is here. Office expense. Okay, so what we're going to do here is enter office supplies and soft. What? Okay. Okay, I don't know why these are here first of all. Let's delete these guys. Okay. What is going in here is office furniture and equipment, office supplies and software. So it's going to be office supplies and software. What is this going to be? Description. It's going to be printer ink. Now my question is, what goes here exactly? amount is going to be $56.70. And I'm going to hit save and close over here. That should be hitting the profit and loss statement. Let's take a quick look. See, profit and loss. Let's see, it should be under office supplies and software. Let's see what we got going on here. We had a Walmart, and here it is. Transaction report. What else we have going on here? Okay, so next one. So we did transaction 38. Next transaction is going to be transaction 39, February 27th. Paid all outstanding bills. Total paid $554.41. And let QuickBooks Online assign checks numbers 1018 through 1022. Okay. So let's do that. So new customers pay, no, vendors pay bills. We're going to select them all. Payment date is going to be what? February 27th. We're going to pay them all. And we'll see what happens. Save and close. No. What's going on here? Okay. Payment made. That was 1018. Interesting, very interesting. So that was 1018. Let me check to see if I can find out when, because it looks like we're one check ahead of where we should be. Allegedly. Check. Let's see what's going on here. This doesn't contain what we need to see. Okay, where are we? Jim Hill. Okay, that was 1020 apparently. Let's see what we got going on here. City of Springfield. $51.45. Where's that coming from? What's this bill for? Utilities, water. The heck? Okay, let's look at check. Check. Details. Go back to January. On report. Need to see what's going on here. Because my check is kind of thrown off. My check numbers are kind of thrown off here. Let's see. February 25th should have been. Where's February 25th? February 25th. Swisher. Okay, I think that's wrong, first of all. Let's close screen back. Should have been February 25th. So save and close that. Yes. Okay, that's one fix. February 27th? I don't know what's going on here. Payment date. It's even right. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's see where we're at right now. So $750 should have been $10.17. So that's fixed. One, 2, 6, 4.48. Where's this from? Let's find out what this is coming from. Bill for what? Okay, let's go take another stab at it. So, where were we? We were at paid all outstanding bills, signed check numbers, total paid all. So it looks like I'm going to do one at a time if you want to do that. See. So, pay bills. Okay. Is it pay bills? Pay bills, it should be $554 in total. Let's see how much it is. Something's missing here. Something got skewed over here. Yeah. Okay. New. Paid all outstanding bills. Okay, let's look at this guy over here. Pay bills. Okay, let's take a look at calculator. So 376.48 minus 554.41, 177.93. So 126. Let's open up another calculator over here. That's 126.48 plus 51.45, and that's that number. I guess that got paid. No. Okay. So how do we pay bills again? Okay. What we have to do here is pay all outstanding bills. So we're gonna go to new vendors, pay bills. I'll just go ahead and save and close. No. No. What I'm trying to figure out is why is it's messed up over here. Yes. Let's check the check. Check detail. Let's check this check detail report. Run report. Okay, I don't see no 1020. 1020. Where? This is 1020 that you speak of. 1005. 1020. It shouldn't be here. But let's go try it again. Pay bills. Save and close. Yes, I don't see it. 20, 21, 22. Okay, there we go. That should solve that problem. Okay. Close this, close this. Next transaction. Next transaction is going to be transaction number 40. So that is February 28th. Received bills from Time Warner in the amount of $147.62 for phone, internet, and cable services with terms of net 30. Received bill from a Time Warner in the amount. So we're gonna have to enter that bill. So new vendor bill. Time Warner. Right here. Okay, terms. What's the terms going to be? Net 30. Bill date is going to be February 28th. Rolled forward one date. Phone, internet. No. Yes. And it's going to be 100. Amount changes. It's going to be 178.86 now. Phone, internet, cable. No, cancel. Phone, internet, and cable. So I'm going to hit save and new because there's another bill we need to enter. Next transaction is going to be transaction number 41 for February 28th. Received bill from Metro Electric Co. in the amount of $178.86 for electricity with terms net 30. So let's go ahead and do that. Metro Electric Company, terms net 30, bill date February 28th. Electric, or is it 100? How much is it? 170. Ooh. I think I put in the wrong amount, the earlier one. Let's check real back. Yes. So Time Warner should be 147. 147.62. That's what happens when you don't double check your work. Save and new. Now, Metro Electric Co. So it's going to be net 30, 228, 329. Utilities, electric. Description, nothing. It's going to be for the amount of 178.86 for electric. Hit save and new. Now next one is going to be transaction number 42, February 28th. Received bill from City of Springfield in the amount of $86.45 for water with terms of net 30. Okay, so let's go ahead and enter that. It's going to be City of Springfield. Terms is net 30. Bill date February 28th. Water, it's going to increase over here to $86.45. Save and new. Okay, next item, it's going to be waste management. Terms net 30. Bill date February 28th. And this is going to be $45 as well. And we're going to do save and close over here. Let's see what we've got left over here. So we have 2 transactions left for February. And then we have the reconciliation. And then we are going to just, check our stuff, make sure it looks good. And then we are going to move on to March transactions. So let's take a look at this. Next page. Transaction number 44. February 28th. Total food sales from the week are shown in the table below. So let's go ahead and do that. It's going to be customer, sales receipt, weekly sales. Payment method is going to be cash, deposit to undeposited funds. Let's enter it. Product service. It's going to be bottled water. Lemon. Orange. Blue. Sugar-free. Chocolate. Chocolate. vanilla, peanut butter, okay, and quantity is going to be 5, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. So 63.75 and 68. For some reason, the tax is coming different from what the book is, but that's okay. Save and close. Close enough. February 28th. Let's take a look at next transaction. Transaction number 45. February 28th. Deposited all undeposited funds from the last week of the month into the checking account. Total deposit is $227.69. So let's go to new, other, bank deposit, receive from all. Let's see what's going on here. Save and close. Now we're gonna have to move on to reconciling accounts. So let's take a look at that. Use the following information to reconcile the checking account. So we can see here, bank statement ending date, bank statement ending date, check outstanding checks right here, allegedly, outstanding deposits right here. Okay. Use the following information to reconcile the Visa credit card. Okay. After reconciling the credit card amount, select write a check for payment now. Enter the payment due. Payment date of March 1st, payable to Great American Bank for $68.97 with check number 1023. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go here, new. Ref. See, do I have my reconcile over here? How do we reconcile? Rec. We don't. So I'm going to make notes for reconcile. Reconcile bank accounts. So let's see how we do that exactly. To reconcile accounts, click the... Okay, so I'm going to have to make a screenshot over here. Or I don't even need to do that. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so settings, wheel, reconcile, no, tools, reconcile. Okay, right here, tools, reconcile. Let's make a screenshot of that. Reconcile. Okay, so what do we need to do here? So I'm going to start with the what accounts are we going to reconcile? Fitness Haven checking account. Okay. Okay. So we need to enter in the ending balance and date. So ending balance is, according to the book, 672.78. Ending date is going to be 228. 228. 2019. So let's take a screenshot of that. Now we're going to enter next items, which is going to be add the following information, enter service charge or interest if necessary. Okay. So start reconciling. What's going to be things that are not reconciled? It's going to be Office Depot. No, excuse me. 1018. Check number 1018. For some reason. These are not. But anyway, let's take a look. Something is up here. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Where is that $147.62 that it's speaking of? Something's wrong. gonna have to take a look at the. Let's see what we have here. Not sure why it's wrong. Oh, oh man. Oh, let's take a look at the balance sheet. Total assets. Oh, total current assets. 119. That's wrong. Why is that wrong? 17. $80,000. Total assets over here accordingly. 138.60. Total assets 258. Long-term liabilities 252. See, 260, 604. Balances. Profit and loss. So we got going on here. Total income 1553. Gross profit 1519. Total legal 2335. 885. 8368.28. That's accurate. Okay, let's look at the AR and AP reports. Okay, let's take it AR. That's AP. Accounts receivable. Let's see, 245, that's accurate. Accounts payable. What's going on here? 8.6. Okay, 457.93. That's correct. Sales by customer detail. This should be 1553 total. Yep. I'm gonna have to look at by transaction. So let's take a look at the transaction. Let's look at February. And 29 in one report. So what's going on here? No, not by customer list. by date. Transaction by date. Okay. Now we need to do why are these 10? Let's take a look at this bills. $316. Let's take a look at these bills over here. Let's see what we got going on over here. $183 and what? And this is for Metro. Should be February 28th. $147. This should be 28 as well. And $45 balance. That should be 27. Or February 28th. Save and close. Okay. Now we can run this back February 1st through February 29th. On report. And see how this should have done. So let's start from the top. Let's see how it's supposed to look like. We're missing a credit card figure here. Where's that credit card figure coming from? That's my question. Okay. Ugh. Where's that Visa amount coming from? Okay. For some reason we're missing a credit card figure here, but we'll skip that. Come back to that later. 150, 75, 126.48, 60, 60, 235, 60, 90, 450, 35, 35, 35, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 60, 35, 35, 12.04, 662.04, 1500, 60, 35, 35, 68.97. See, 90, 31.3, 251.3, 35, 235, 235, 20, 60, 750, 60, 41.46, 196.46. Now a bunch of 35s onto a 90, 750, 70, 56.7, 51.45, 190, 183.86, 147.62, 45. Alright, here we're missing something. 126.48. I think it's split into here. So it's in here. No, it's not in there. $70, 90, 228. Deposit. Oh, that's gonna be a deposit. Sales receipt. Okay. 45 we got. T645 we got. 128.86 we got. 47.62 we got. And then okay. We have here bill payments and we have bill. Time Warner. These shouldn't have been paid. I don't think. Or should have been. Okay. These should be 27. Okay. Let's see what's going on here now. Expense should be here, 56.7. Then we get 183 over here. Here, 126.48 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 126, 45. 26, 45. 147 and 183. 51 and 56. Well, 51 and what? Okay. Sales deposit here. What I'm not getting here is the Visa amount. When did that go in? Oh, okay. Something I forgot to do that I didn't do last time. So I have to go back and do this right now. New. Figure out what the issue is. Oh, part of the issue. I didn't finish up the reconciliation last time. So what we got going on here? Here. I never did this last part. No, you will need to select Visa account to be reconciled after reconciliation. The credit card account, select to write a check for a new payment now before clicking done. Enter the payment date of February 1st, payable to Great American Bank. Okay, so let's add that. So check to Great American Bank. So let's add that. Save. That's going to have to be put in as 2-1. It should be check number 1010. But there might be something over there at this point. Visa description. Visa payment. And the amount is going to be 1859.82. Let's see if that'll work. It might not work. Okay, it worked somehow. So now we'll go back to see how the reconciliation looks like. Resume reconciling. Oh, looks terrible. Well, let's look at this. Oops, not that. Reports. Balance sheet. Okay, That's why I was in time before. Not time, but like mentioned earlier that our checking account was different from what the book is, but now I see why it is. So 117, 3, 6, 8, 4, 5. So total assets is $258,744, which is approximately correct. Total is 258,745. Okay, not bad. Let's go back. Let's take a look at profit and loss. Profit and loss should be the same. Net income is 6,848. Okay. So let's look at the reconcile bank account. So reconcile. Okay, resume reconciliation. Bank register. No. Back to chart accounts. Reconcile. Resume reconciliation. Statement ending balance. Oh, that's wrong. First of all, that should be. Need to fix that. Edit info. Okay. First of all, I entered this in wrong. So save. I don't know if I entered that in wrong or not, but it's wrong. Let's see. That's close enough. There we go. And it was pennies off for whatever reason. Okay, if you'd like to proceed, confirm below, and then add adjustment finish. Okay, wait, so first of all, go back. I forgot, what am I doing here? Forgot to take my notes over here. Oh, I did put in the wrong, as you guys can see over here. So, edit info. So, deposit. For bank account. Okay. Select. Or what's that? Check bank reconciliation. Check matching items. Need help unmatching. Usually at the bottom. Okay. So Hit finish now. Finish now. Select. Six. If Garrett adjustment if needed pendings other. Okay. Okay. Sub credit card reconciliation. Okay. So and to reference back to what we were looking at before, to complete this reconciliation for the credit card account. Let's see what page is that? Page 38. Right here. So ending balance is going to be $68.97. Ending date. Is going to be 2/28/20 in this case. Let's do 2/29/20. Enter ending date and balance. Okay. Start reconciling. It should be everything except for 56.7. Something else is missing. Okay. After reconciling the credit card account, select to write a check payment now. Let's see. How do you want to pay your bill? Pay all from the bill now. Once reconciliation is complete, pay bill. Okay. Bill now. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. 1023. Choose bill. Great. American Bank. Yes, no. Okay. March 1st. It's going to be 68.97. And we're going to save and close this. Done. And that's done. But I think I was messed around with the accounts payable stuff and I messed it up. So let's take a look at that. Reports. Accounts payable. Agent detail. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good. Accounts receivable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 245. Okay. So I think that's it for now. Let's see, look at my dashboard. Oh, it's already open. Invoices, expenses, profit and loss, sales. Okay, so we're done for now. We've gone through it and it looks like it makes sense. Transactions in this spot. So we're done with February transactions now. In the next stream we're going to begin with the March transactions. So that's going to be it for now. Thank you guys for joining me. If you guys found this content to be useful, please hit that like, hit that notification bell, and that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. You guys stay hustling, work hard, work smart, and have a good one, guys.